Let's review question 7 from our 3-week exam. Meiosis results in greater genetic variation than asexual reproduction because. So first we need to highlight a couple vocabulary terms that we know. Meiosis, we see genetic variation, and we see asexual reproduction. So before we answer this question, we want to define some terms so that we're sure that we know exactly what's being asked. Meiosis, remember, that's the process of cell division that gives us the 4 haploid gametes or cells, the sex cells, okay? So in meiosis, we have 4 haploid cells. Those 4 haploid cells happen to all be different. They are not similar exactly like each other. They are different from each other. So genetic variation means differences. And asexual reproduction is going to be the type of reproduction that forms a clone. That's like mitosis, which starts diploid and ends diploid with the exact same cell as where it started. So in meiosis, our cell division with 4 different haploid cells, we have genetic variation, which is differences because of those 4 haploid cells. So let's read the answer choices. A says it's a lengthy process full of errors. Well, let's hope that that is not true because we don't want it to be full of errors. B says results in a greater number of offspring. Well, the cell division has nothing to do with the offspring. It's just forming the gametes that will eventually be used for the offspring. C says it's more common in higher order species. We haven't even discussed this, so we're going to rule that one out as well. And D, our last answer choice, says results in different genetic combinations. This is our answer because, remember, those 4 haploid cells are all different. So because of meiosis, we get different genetic combinations in each of the gametes produced. So your answer here is D.